Welcome to B&E Site Services, where we take pride in offering top-notch dumpster rental in Bay City, Texas, tailored to your needs. At B&E Site Services, we understand the critical role of a clean and organized environment. Whether you're renovating, clearing out clutter, or overseeing a major project, our residential dumpster rentals offer the perfect solution to keep your property orderly and debris-free. Our team of dedicated professionals ensures timely delivery and pickup, working within your schedule to minimize any disruption to your routine. Choose B&E Site Services for your dumpster rental needs in Bay City, Texas. With our unwavering commitment to exceptional service and customer satisfaction, you can rely on us to handle your waste management needs efficiently and professionally. Call us at 979-616-6858 or visit our website at www.besiteservices.com. Dumpster Rental Bay City TX today to learn more and schedule your rental. B&E Site Services, your trusted partner in waste management. Experience the difference with our top quality services and make your next project a breeze.